Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw Solana from your BullX wallet step by step. If you're using BullX and want to move your Solana to another wallet or exchange, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. The very first thing you need to do is make sure your BullX Neo wallet is fully activated. If you haven't done this already, you'll need to set it up through Telegram and make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for security. Without this step, you won't be able to withdraw your funds. Next, before starting the withdrawal process, double-check that you have enough Solana in your wallet to cover the transaction fees. Every withdrawal on the Solana blockchain requires a small fee, so it's important to keep a little bit of SOL aside for that. Once you've confirmed that, open your BullX account and head over to the Wallet Manager. From there, choose the specific BullX wallet that holds your Solana. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer funds. Click on that. To begin the process, now it's time to enter the destination wallet address. This could be another Solana wallet like Phantom or even a crypto exchange that supports Solana. Make absolutely sure that the address is correct, because if you make a mistake here, your funds could be lost permanently. After entering the details, review everything carefully one last time. If it all looks good, go ahead and confirm the transaction. You'll then pay the withdrawal fee using the Solana in your wallet, and BullX will process your transfer. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn Solana from BullX. Always remember to double-check addresses and keep your 2FA enabled for maximum security. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.